sa'yo yung tanong ko, Lisa. O kasi kanina tinatanong nga ni Jerry na ang daming ang nangyayari ngayon, ano. And I know na i-hold tong concert na to, madami pa ding nangyayari by then. As creative director of the show, naisip mo ba or napag-usapan yung mag-asawa to maglaan ng kanta para maka-comment sa kung ano man ang nangyayari? Maybe not to comment but to inspire people, to unite, or to think critically about what's going on. Like recently, nag-viral ulit yung Upuan, if you know that song, by Glock 9. So people are looking for it eh. Kayo ba, naiisip nyo, like ikaw naisip nyo ba na maybe we can use this time and the stage powerfully in that way?
Well, to be honest, hindi pa kami nakakarating dun sa ganong discussions. Kasi, more than anything, siguro, while that is powerful also, there's also power in going to the theater and experiencing the concert and actually relieving yourself with all of the noise that's happening outside. But of course, if our artists would want that na para magkaroon ng platform for us to like really use the concert to speak up, in the way that they know how, which is through music, I'll be more than happy to really support them because yun nga they are gifted with this art and platform na maka-affect, maka-influence. And sa nangyayari ngayon, yun, siguro isa-isa na tayong hinihimok at tinatawag na gumawa ng mga sarili-sarili nating ambag and contribution. Siguro kasi lang on my end, personal experience ko, my own politics became a chip on my shoulder to be of service. So, because when we say politics, hindi na lang naman yan nakadepende sa ano ba talaga yung paninindigan mo at paniniwala mo. It's normally, whose side are you on? And Eyes and I are never about that. We're always about what's good for the constituents and yung pinagsisilbihan namin. So, I also don't want to impose my own politics sa mga ganitong klaseng plataforma. So, I defer to the group kung anong gusto nilang gawing direction. And I, as their creative director, will definitely create that space so that ma-accommodate natin yung ano man yung sinasaloob ng kanilang puso.
Although ako napapansin ko kay Ice na he's been doing it subtly. I know he's been singing Man in the Mirror and yung mga ganong klaseng songs. But this time, Ice, if you can, sabi na nga ni Lisa, nasa iyo yung bola eh. If you can choose a song that you think will fit the times, what will it be?
It's an old song eh. Pasok pa ka ba?
Seriously? Oh.
Actually, I wrote a song before. Siya sumikat. Nakalimutan ko yung title eh.
Lupang Pinangako.
Lupang Pinangako yung title niya. Nasulat ko yun way back dahil sa frustration ko sa politics. And siguro yun yung song na gusto kong kantahin if ever. Because kasi bilang isang tao na nakapasok sa public service, I thought your ideals are enough. I thought your principles are enough to actually keep you doon sa loob. But I left. I couldn't stay because I couldn't stand that public service becomes politics. So, ako ngayon na parang sobrang nadidistribusyon na ako sa mga nangyayari. Wala akong mapagkatiwalaan kahit sino. Na parang whatever side you pick, parang they're always thinking about themselves and not really not really thinking about all of us. So, So I think that song is perfect because parang sa may line na parang sobrang tagal nalimutan ko na yung kanta. Pero parang huwag magbingi-bingihan, huwag magtanga-tangahan, huwag magbulag-bulagan, hindi yan ang kailangan. Huwag mo hahayaan, ipikit ng iyong, huwag mo hahayaan na takpan ng iyong mata ng piring na madilim at paikot-ikutin ka sa puso malalaman ang mali at ang tama, isigaw ng malakas ang iyong paniniwala. So, that will forever be my stand. And if there's one song I'd like to sing, that will be this one.
Ako may naisip na ako. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, I heard Ice, kinanta niya tong kanta to in one of our, when we were very, very active for, to support the Lumans, yung mga indigenous people. The title of the song is Imagine. It's a Beatles song. And I feel like it's very appropriate kasi ang daming noise, di ba, sa politics, sa mga nasa gobyerno natin. Pero kasi tayo rin, ang pinakamagagawa natin bilang tao is huwag tayo maging part ng noise na yon. Maging part tayo nung ano yung nararapat na hindi tayo nagkikiling on one side or we're pushing our own agenda. So I think Imagine is a perfect song because the song really represents a striving for peace, a striving for equality, a striving for recognition of our differences. And I think ito yung kailangan nating gawin, na respetuhin natin yung pagkakaiba ng isa't isa. But at the same time, alamin natin kung ano ba dapat yung sinusulong natin para mas maging maayos tayo.
Thank you. Finally for me, Ice, since we're on the subject, and I don't know if this is the exact quote, but parang ganito, do you agree na with Dea Salonga sa tweet niya, ang hirap mong mahalin Pilipinas? Minsan, ang hirap mong mahalin Pilipinas?
Hindi. Hindi mahirap mahalin ng Pilipinas. Masarap mahalin ng Pilipinas. Pero may mga Pilipinong mahirap mahalin. I think that's different.
Thank you.